My dad started vacationing here during the Memorial Day week of the U.S. Memorial Day, and he would walk to the beach and pay his respects, and his fellow friends who were also servicemen asked him what he was doing, and they wanted to join him. So it was 4 of them originally, and now it's just grown to, I don't know, we may have had 40 or 50 people here today who are standing in the detail. Well, they were here vacationing in Costa Linda every year for the same 3 weeks, so it always fell during Memorial Day. My mother took over the ceremony after my father passed in 2012, so she continued the service, and my mother passed last year. I came down to carry it on because so many people enjoy it and look forward to it. Oh, it's open to everyone. We've tried to hand out flyers on the beach and drop them off at the other hotels. They've been, very open to letting people know there are other guests at the other hotels. So that's the reason why it's grown so much, is because we do have participation from all the other hotels. We've even had, I believe, the Aruban military, the vets come and participate, the Dutch Marines. I would love as many people to come. I think it's a wonderful remembrance for anyone who served any country and lost their lives. And I think, everyone knows someone who has sacrificed their life for their country or died after their service and want a moment to remember. It's not about barbecues and parties, which a lot of people get a day off from work, but we try to keep it what it was meant to be, a day of remembrance. And anyone can share in that. My family have, since organizing, I'm not sure when it started, and we had 4 people in 2002, so this is the 23rd year that there have been participants. Costa Linda, in the last, I can't say what year because I haven't been to Aruba every year, but they've been, adding on the tent, the refreshments, and the wreath for, I would say, more than 10 years. So I can't say exactly what year it started.